That's probably a good idea.
Let's
see if I can get this thing stable. You good?
I want you to bump it until I get compression out of that cylinder. That's top dead center stroke around.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
All right.
You might turn the key back on.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put my finger there. Okay, it's sucking. Go ahead. Sucking. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yep. There it is right there. All right. So it just compressed.
All right.
On number one cylinder. So now we take. You turn the key off.
All right. Let's turn the key off. Keys off.
Now we take the cap off and see where the rotor button's pointing. It should be near that number one cylinder.
So we can probably open this guy up right here and see it a lot easier. No, the gas tank's in the way.
No, it's right here.
I'll just get it underneath. Gotcha. Okay.
Right over here. See, there's a rotor button.
Oh, that one. Oh, I thought you were talking about this guy. Sorry.
It should hit this cylinder right there, so the rotor button should be pointing to that right there.
And if it's not, we adjust it, correct?
If it's not, then it is.
It's off a little bit.
Well, I just got it where it started blowing. It may not be exactly top dead center, but that tells me that we're in the right vicinity, and then I can adjust the timing.
I got you.
Yeah, the notch is way the fuck over here. So that notch should be right there, which tells me that the timing's off.
Huh.
See that?
That makes sense now.
So he had this thing on wrong. See that? It's 180 out.
Ooh wee. So now what do we need to do?
Okay, watch this. Now I'm assuming that's number one cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the firing order should be 1.
Actually, wait a minute. Is there anything stamped on it anywhere?
Well, it's usually the first. Okay. It's usually the first cylinder on an engine. And if it's a V8 or V6,
yeah,
then it's going to be 1 on which side. It depends if it's a Chevy or Ford.
Okay.
So he had the cap in wrong. So here's what we do.
All right.
I don't know the firing order.
Right. Yeah,
but this needs to go here. In that position. Right there. So
that's where the notch is.
That's where this needs to sit.
Gotcha.
And then line it up with this.
So do you want me to bump it another time or two? Or
no.
How do we adjust that?
Break my parts. See, that can only go one way.
Ah, okay.
And it ain't got no fire whatsoever, so I mean there's no burning. There might be a little sign right there.
Yeah, just a little singeing right there. I see it.
It hadn't fired. That looks all brand new.
That's kind of a plus then. That's probably what happened. He probably tried to put this thing back together.
Gasket. All right, so there's the rings, or not the rings, but the what does that say? Align with oiler. Okay, so here's the oiler. So that needs to go like this. See,
Okay.
that changes everything.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he put that in, unless it spun. It might have just spun because that's not notched anymore. Maybe it's not put.
Is it broken?
All right, so, and we might as well check our points, see?
Mm-hmm.
So we can rotate this and hit the load, make sure that it's opening. I don't see it opening. It's opening, it's not opening very much. See that? Go ahead and rotate it a few times. Bumping it though?
Yeah.
I just want to see if I can see it opening. Let's put, I don't know what the
Keys on. Nope.
yeah. Alright, hold on. Yeah, a little bit more. So it doesn't
Key off?
look. It doesn't look. Yeah, key off. It doesn't look like it's open. So
Okay,
it
so-
ain't getting no fire because
Points are stuck closed.
yeah, that's gotta trigger the cord.
Okay, so what does that mean? We got to
So-
replace something?
No, we gotta adjust it. So typically, I don't know what it is on this one. It could be 35,000. We'll have to let's see. Do you have that information on your phone?
Stop